Nest Metal Platform Bed Frame. Slumber with confidence with Nest Platform Bed Frames, rugged steel frame and metal slats that support inner spring mattresses and memory foam mattresses alike. Sleep ready in minutes. Only the Nest Metal Platform Bed Frame boasts a quick lock assembly system that requires no tools, bolts, screws, or expertise for setup. It can be assembled and disassembled within minutes. Support for your whole family. Nest Platform Bed Frames are available in full, queen, and king sizes. Each has the strength to support up to 3,500 pounds. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Lay the mattress foundation for great nights of sleep on the Nest Metal Bed Frame. Ruggedly constructed of heavy-duty steel, it offers a sturdy and cost-effective alternative to traditional box springs and foundations. Number 2. Quick lock assembly allows you to set up our platform bed frame in minutes without tools, screws, bolts, or special expertise. It pairs perfectly with an air mattress for fast accommodation of overnight guests. Number 3. 14 inches height ensures maximum stability and positions your mattress at the most comfortable point for getting into and out of bed. Platform legs are outfitted with protective caps to prevent the marring of wood, laminate, and vinyl flooring. Number 4. Easy to move from room to room or when relocating to a new home. This versatile folding platform bed frame has none of the unwieldy bulk of a traditional foundation. It can be moved by one person in most car models. Number 5. A 5-year warranty allows you to select the Nest Metal Platform Bed Frame with confidence. Built to support up to 3,500 pounds and powder-coated to prevent rust, it is an enduring addition to your apartment essentials. Number 6. Strong structure. Carefully positioned slats and sturdy metal legs support up to 3,500 pounds. Number 7. Fast and easy to assemble. Assemble and disassemble in 5 minutes. Make it move from room to room. Number 8. Bolt and nut free. Set up your bed frame in minutes without tools, screws, bolts, or special expertise. Number 9. Underbed storage space. The mobility and storage versatility perfectly suits your modern living space. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How far apart are the slats? Answer. Full size. The slats gap are between 6.33 inches to 6.42 inches. Queen and king sizes. The slats gap are between 6.93 inches to 7 inches. Question number 2. Will it work with a foam mattress? Answer. Yes. It works great with foam mattresses. Question number 3. Can a queen set go on the frame or can it just hold the top mattress? Answer. A queen mattress can just go on top of this metal frame without the need for a spring box. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.